take a strip of metal, use your fingers to help shape it around the triplet. Use a rawhide mallet to continue forming it round. You'll need to reverse it on the triplet to make sure that it ends up parallel and cylindrical rather than triangular or a pyramid. Keep repeating. The joint is pretty close now. Now we come to cutting through using a saw to make it perfect that we need for soldering. You can see the gap. Take a saw, cutting through the wood of the bench pin at the same time, saw straight through the gap, and you'll catch edges from both sides. Slowly and gently, keeping the saw completely upright and your fingers out of the way. Check progress. And repeat. Take some time to find the right groove. Gently does it. Slowly and carefully. Okay. Undo the blade because it's pretty close now. There we go. Just about perfect, ready for soldering.